Do you want to try something different for lunch today? So an avocado ham salami and salad sandwich may sound strange to you, but do you know where you can stick that avocado ham and salad sandwich? In your gob and eat it. If you grill some Turkish bread with some striped cheese and then add some burger sauce, sun-dried tomato, 6 slices of fresh Devon, rocket leaves, you'll get this super cool budget-friendly sandwich. Want to try something different for lunch today? So a steak and onion sandwich may sound strange to you, but do you know where you can stick that steak sandwich? In your gob and eat it. Are you ready to try something different for lunch today? Smashing 2 sausages into a pan full of vegetables may sound strange to you, but do you know where you can stick that gooey mess? In your gob and eat it. I thought I'd stick this Spanish sausage in the fireplace to heat it up. But first I gotta stick a skewer for it. That looks alright. Let's go stick this sausage where it's nice and hot. Have you ever stuck your meat in the fireplace? Well, I thought it'd be a good idea. But do you know where I'm gonna stick this sausage? In some Turkish bread with heaps of butter. See if you can get your mouth around that. Want to try something different for lunch today? A mashed up Frankfurt and cheese sandwich may sound strange to you, but do you know where you can stick that mashed up Frankfurt and cheese sandwich? In your gob and eat it. Can I make a sanger for $5? Let's go have a look-see. So check out this little beauty. But I'll leave my secret ingredient till the end. Extra virgin olive oil, avocado and cheese. Season that with a bit of pepper, some ham, some more olive oil. And now for the secret ingredient, fig glaze. Total cost of this little beauty, $5. Do you want to try something different for lunch today? But have you ever seen a pie get lucky between 2 buns? One quick slice so we can split it wide open, because sometimes you got to open it right up to see the juices inside. Have you tried the viral Italian pizza sandwich? 1 piece of pizza, extra cheese, another piece of pizza, cook that in the Breville, and voila, the viral Italian pizza sandwich. Are you ready to try something different for lunch today? So a lasagna burrito may sound strange to you, but do you know where you can stick that lasagna burrito? In your gob and eat it. Rang my mum this morning. She says, "Where are you?" "Only up the road, Mum." She says, "Come past, come and have something to eat." I told my mum I wasn't hungry. She goes, "I got some fresh bread rolls, got a few other things there in the fridge. Have a look." Wasn't hungry, but I couldn't resist. Let's taste this little beauty.